Hey guys, it's Maskit. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a transforming into TikTok ego. So now with Olivia and Elise.
I don't know the renegade dance.
So I don't know how this is going to go down, but I'm excited to see the outcome.
Very quickly, does she not look like Dixie D'Amelio? Or like Charlie D'Amelio?
Everyone says that. Before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get on with the video. This is us before our transformation. So as you can see, we're pretty basic like that. You know what I mean? Like especially Lisa's outfit.
I know!
My sister's gonna kill me because I'm using all of her stuff. I'm using her makeup brushes, her makeup.
I'm just going in.
Oh, I haven't gone in yet.
Is this pigmented?
Oh.
She's laughing at me!
You need like a lot, you need to like pack on a lot like of yellow. There we go, perfect.
That's what I did and it turned into this.
Yeah, but it's because you know. Oh my god, guys.
I didn't even realize how bad.
Oh my god.
I feel like I'm gonna look like I have like a disease though.
Oh, it's fine.
Oh, that's okay. Look at me.
We're in it together.
Well,
Hey, yours is pretty. What? Stop it. I asked your brother and Dennis how my makeup's looking.
We're from their reactions, just their reactions.
Is it good?
It's good for an e-girl, but like, if I saw you on the street, I'd be like, okay, she's quirky.
Guys, they said I'm a quirky person. They said it's good for e-girl.
The blush like makes
You and Ego.
them. Oh, I overdid it.
I don't think there's such thing as overdoing it.
I want it more in my T-zone.
Oh my god, beauty guru.
You are such a beauty
in
guru.
the T-zone.
I got
Guys,
it.
the T-zone.
I got it.
I'm moving on to my blue now. Oh no.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna have the best look because once I add fine line. Oh,
Fine liner?
Fine liner.
I'm nearly done.
I'm nearly done as well actually.
I'm not done.
Guys, I'm not done at all.
Eyeliner
It's like
time.
aqua-ish. For my pink, I use the Chi Chi palette. And for my blue, I use the Wild, Wet n Wild palette.
Couldn't
And
tell you
Jack
what I
and Hill.
used.
We've used these
The blue one here.
and the purple one.
Yeah.
You know how there's those TikToks where people turn themselves into clowns? I feel like I'm actually making that TikTok.
Oh yeah. It's getting better. Your makeup's getting better, babe.
Is this the eyeliner for one
Wow, it
of
looks
them?
so good. What the heck?
What the heck? Guys, I need my own personal space when I do this eyeliner.
Oh my
because
god,
I'm
same,
not-
same, same.
Guys, I'm making mine super thick because you love thick boys. I'm at Maskit's. Yeah, I moved in here. I have.
She's been at my house like every day for the past week. I'm not even joking.
A few minutes later.
Is that mine?
Maybe.
Guys, do you like my eyeliner? It's
I
actually
haven't
not even
finished
that bad.
Do they put blush on their forehead?
Yes, I put blush on my forehead.
Okay.
Very nice. Put more. Put like
More?
heaps more. Yeah, literally just pack it on.
Okay.
I'm gonna put more mascara on like my bottom lashes.
It's my
Show me your
finger.
thing. Show me your thing. It actually looks okay now.
Thank you for believing in me.
Of course, B.
I'm just gonna do like a dot.
What is
God,
that?
did it just break?
What was that? What was that?
The mirror.
The mirror, yeah, the mirror broke. That's 7 years of bad luck. That's a...
Maskit.
We
I'm
got-
actually gonna cry.
Why, do you believe in that shit too?
Like, yeah.
But we gotta tell ourselves, Elise, that this is not real and that we're not gonna have 7 years of bad luck. Like, it's okay. Do you know what I mean?
I also just broke a mirror.
No, I don't really care about my mirror. I'm just saying,
Okay,
I
okay.
don't really care about the mirror. I'm
Yeah,
just saying,
Elise doesn't care about 7 years of bad luck.
Oh,
she
you
cares
do
about
not?
that much.
Oh, what? Okay, no, I don't care about the mirror. I just care about the 7 years of bad luck.
Oh, I care that I broke your mirror.
Oh, that's fine. I don't really care. They are concentrating so hard right now.
This is not
to do their eyeliners. Oh yeah, we already imported some of.
What the
Well, that sounded like a kettle!
Now I have to do freckles and love hearts.
Wait, I can do like the TikTok art. There's too many cameras.
Too many
All the
cameras. I know, too many angles. I'm like, oh. Wait, guys, I really want to be beauty guru. Should I just like make beauty
Let's
videos?
just do it.
Should I actually do it?
Just YOLO.
I don't know if I want that. Do I want that? I
Yes.
love makeup. It's like fun as. Whoa, that looks so good. Your love hearts and everything. Guys, I don't know if pink lipstick works. Yeah, that works. There we go. Run away, running in circles. Run away, run away. I need a really sparkly shine on my nose because that's what e-girls have. There we go.
We're gonna teach you how to become an e-girl with poses. Firstly, you do your first pose.
Okay, so there's like the eye roll, but you go like. Oh my god, I hate this.
I can't. How
I
do
don't
you
know
do
if I
it?
did that right.
Okay, I have to do my hearts now, guys. I'm doing my hearts. Every time you touch my face, it makes me want to laugh more. Very laughing session. Ah.
Hi guys.
Seasons change.
Final reveals of our makeup.
We're putting our hair into pigtails because apparently that's what e-girls do. Oh, and we need the bang.
It's just my hair's super greasy. So. Wait, oh my god, wait, yours turned out really good.
Yeah, they did.
Wait, yours, what?
Clips.
Yeah, oh my
We
god.
get to use clips.
I know the spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to call me.
Oh, I don't know
I
that.
really wanna walk.
Guys, what did you do in your holidays? We turned ourselves into TikTok e-girls. Okay, guys, so we just did our pigtails, and now it's time for the best part, honestly.
The clips.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, guys, wait. Oh my god. So our makeup and hair is done now. How do we all feel? I feel like a changed woman.
I know what's so weird? How we literally tried to do the exact same look, but everyone looks so different.
Literally. Let's change into our outfits now.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Olivia, tell us about your outfit.
Okay, so I've got knee-high socks. I have a denim black skirt, an AC/DC top, black thing, a choker, and obviously my makeup.
Okay, Elise, your turn.
Oh my god, okay, wait, so I have like a clueless kind of skirt.
Cute.
I have like a black long sleeve top, and then I just got like my hair up, my makeup.
Cute,
Love
cute,
it.
cute, cute. Where's the light?
Ha!
Okay, so this is my outfit. This is my final look. Okay, so I'm wearing this like black top with this mesh pink long sleeve top, black jean skirt, and we're loving this. So this is my outfit, guys.
Just as I was putting my hair in a messy bun, somebody grabbed my throat and yeeted me onto the floor. I blacked out, and when I woke up I looked like strawberry shortcake on crack. I looked to my left to see a note. Your page is dying, we did what we had to do, XOXO the e-girls. P.S. we are not responsible for any side effects. Then it happened.
We have my brother here and his friend, and we're gonna see what they think. What do you think of our looks, our new e-girl looks? Guys, just tell me what you think of our outfits.
You guys are so cool. Yeah, you guys are
Whoa, response! Oh my god.
I appreciate your hard work and hustle.
Thank you. Does
We really
Maskit look like Harley Quinn?
I feel like she looks like Harley Quinn more.
No.
You both
You look way more like Harley Quinn.
Oh wait, that's actually smart what they wore.
Huh?
I like what you guys wore. Like
Thanks.
Simpson style.
Guys, if this gets 50,000 likes, then we're turning you into an e-girl. We really enjoyed turning ourselves into
It literally
e-girls.
took forever
It
as
took
well.
so long.
And I'm so hot right now,
Oh my
like
God.
I'm sweating
It's
so
like
much.
30
30-something
degrees.
degrees
Oh my
today.
god.
I'm wearing long sleeves, but you know, that's what you do for a YouTube video.
That's what you do. Our final results are pretty good, guys. I did not expect them to turn like this. It turned out pretty well. So that is it for our e-girl transformation video. We really hope you enjoyed it.
Nice. Oh my god.
Guys, leave us a comment down below telling us what you think we should transform into next time. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.
Bye.